It grabs you and it grips you and takes you on adventures to dimensions I can't even begin to explain. I tantalize your senses with sentences it's senseless to attempt to diss. My plan to rise is endless. I'm generally known to be off the hinges with a microphone with me. You wanna fight? Come on, hit me. I ain't gon' stop beating that ass until the cops come get me. Profuse verbal abuse to cook your goose. I serve superb turbulence when I get loose. The beat get battered and bruised. You nerds get hit from every direction after the herb get lit. Who wanna come and test me now? Let's get down. Get on up and get the mess beat out of your pesky clown ass. Pathetic competitors won't last around after I blast around at your casket. Cats get disfigured and eat a fist. Fucking with this nigga when I'm pissed. And even when I'm feeling bliss, it'll be an unworthy risk to disturb me, cause I'm impervious to the words you spit. I split nucleuses when I shoot the gift. It's ridiculous to dispute me if you don't wanna shoot me. Just watch me do my duty. My rap slaps your ears like sticks, pucks, and hockey. I don't give a big fuck at all about all your jewelry and tomfoolery. You can get the balls. If you don't wanna be cool with me, we can brawl. We do it every weekend, y'all, at the Fight Club.
Fight Club.
I hit them up like what? First rule on your first night, you gotta fight. Just insert the mic plugs. You got the right ones. If you wanna fight, come show your guns at the Fight Club. I hit them up like what? First rule on your first night, you gotta fight. Just insert the mic plugs. You got the right ones. If you wanna fight, come.
Fight Club.
Pump your fist and resist the system. I insist the gist of this consists of wisdom. Cataclysm. We can have a collision and go at it to add to the mission. Poetical fisticuffs. I spit to crush the shit you bust. You don't wanna get in the pit with us. We gladiators of the third eye variety. You can be mad and hate us or ride with me. I flow toe to toe, blow for blow. The collective objective is to overthrow. We soldiers here to let the po folks know. Imperialists get the fist and the po get the dick. The seriousness of this gets me furious when I hear ignorance spit by my peers. I guess that's why I'm here, to change up this strange stuff in the coming years. My plan's to put hands on my people in a trance so they can understand what really makes a man strong. Convictions with no restrictions. I inflict them to the beat of the kick drum. You want some? Step up and get some. Scuff knees and elbows when PL flows to speak to y'all, or we can brawl. We do it every weekend, y'all, at the Fight Club.
Fight Club.
I hit them up like what? First rule on your first night, you gotta fight. Just insert the mic plugs. You got the right ones. If you wanna fight, come show your guns at the
Fight Club.
I hit them up like what? First rule on your first night, you gotta fight. Just insert the mic plugs. You got the right ones. If you wanna fight, come.
Fight Club. Fight the fight. Fight the fight. The Fight Club. The fight. The fight. Fight Club. Fight. The fight. The Fight Club. The Fight Club.
Who would have bun fire? Worries. Tell him again, yo, hey, temperature in the ghetto, blaze like inferno. Body bags that multiply like Capone, bootlegging in Chicago. Worries, tension, depression, and sorrow. Maybe you can't anger us, car. There might not be no tomorrow. Now we third-eye vision and reflexes sharp on the block. Cause parasite and bad mind them hard. After 12 o'clock, down the situation get dirty. Down and gunshot make the bad man. Now waste no time to make your skull hollow. Some of we scratch that, most of we that I feel live in poverty. Familiar with the cadaver. Down, decompose the matter. It pop off quickly, right around the corner. Antagonize the revolution. Never go and kill me brother. Survival of the fittest. Canaan, Abel, sequel and over. Spread like wildfire. Joker complete at them. Remove the malediction and take back the premises. Give it the indigenous people and let them live on the land.
Now battle with the Load up their clips, then click for the grip of their funds. Older niggas with no livers, gripping they bum, the coldest killers. That tone froze when it simmers them. Niggas with no hearts and gold in their system. Walk the line between the cold and the living. See bitches with strollers and niggas' names on their shoulders. Them crooked rollers that plant cane when they roll up. See, what I describe is my aura. Yeah, George got money to spare, but won't, so fuck law and order. I rather rebel and roll up against them, then surrender my life and fold to the system. Shit, I'ma survive, eyes wide open, ready to ride. The ghetto's red scorching with villains. Trinity Mills spilling, deep feeling. Joker hit with my soldiers, raise your guns to the ceiling. It's real.
619 battle veteran. Percentile rises in the battlefield. Victimized verb spray, ghetto wordplay. Don't make me have to call your name out. 619 battle veteran. Percentile rises in the battlefield. 619 battle veteran. Don't make me have to call your name out.
Who said it's been a long time? Who's always forcing me to rhyme? Just this one time I'm gonna tell you fella, I'm hella slick with the speech each and every time I speak. Son, I said it with intricate flows from the poetic. Real slang selected with thoughts collected. To freak a flow only I know, cause I created a masterpiece, I never say the least. I'm irritated with rap jumps stacking these lumps. They got me stumped, I'm puzzled, I'm caught up in the shuffle like a card. Gotta give it to them hard these days, their rhymes pay. And suckers I slay, step on stage and parlay. I shoot the shit right down to the nit grit. I spit on mics, keep a tight grip. That hype shit out the L's camp, still dick. Strictly dope like my click beat, continuously dropping bombs like napalm. Remain calm, recite another bomb. Live long, life lasting. Amongst all these fakes and bad acting, I stay smashing. For all the real, now who's asking?